Welcome back to Zone Out Fun from deep in the heart of Texas. In the expansive realm of engineering, machines stand as the cornerstone of human innovation, shaping the fabric of our existence and propelling us towards a future limited only by our imagination. From the rudimentary simplicity of basic tools to the intricate complexity of advanced systems, these mechanical wonders serve as the catalysts for progress and the architects of civilization's evolution. Join us on a cerebral exploration of the intricate interplay between simplicity and complexity as we unravel the profound significance of machines in our quest for understanding and mastery over the world around us. At the heart of our exploration lie the six simple machines, the elemental forces that drive the mechanics of our universe. Consider the lever, a marvel of mechanical advantage that transforms the exertion of force into motion with effortless efficiency. From the humble crowbar to the majestic seesaw, the lever's influence permeates our daily lives, offering a glimpse into the elegant simplicity of nature's design. It enabled our ancestors to accomplish feats once thought impossible, from the construction of towering monuments to the cultivation of fertile lands. As civilizations flourished and empires rose and fell, the lever remained a constant presence, a symbol of mankind's indomitable spirit and boundless potential. And then there's the wheel and axle, a testament to the symbiotic relationship between form and function, where rotational motion finds purpose in the seamless movement of objects large and small. From the chariots of antiquity to the sleek electric cars of the modern age, the wheel and axle have served as the cornerstone of transportation innovation, embodying humanity's quest for progress and mobility. As civilizations evolved and technologies advanced, the wheel and axle evolved in tandem, manifesting in diverse forms and applications, from the spinning pottery wheels of ancient Mesopotamia to the intricate gear systems of contemporary automotive engineering. Yet beneath the veneer of technological complexity lies a timeless principle: the efficient conversion of rotational motion into linear motion. It enables vehicles to traverse vast distances with unparalleled speed and efficiency. In the expanse of human history, the wheel and axle stand as a testament to our relentless pursuit of progress, propelling us ever forward on the journey of exploration and discovery. While sometimes obscured, the simplicity belies sophistication, as evidenced by the intricate mechanisms of the pulley, an inclined plane. These seemingly straightforward devices conceal a wealth of ingenuity, harnessing the principles of physics to overcome the limitations of gravity and friction. At its core, the pulley is a testament to the elegance of simplicity, a marvel of engineering that has transcended centuries to become an indispensable tool in the human quest for efficiency and innovation. Through its humble design, a grooved wheel and a rope or belt, the pulley transforms the concept of mechanical advantage into tangible reality, allowing us to effortlessly lift heavy loads with minimal effort. However, its significance extends far beyond mere utility. The pulley symbolizes the ingenuity of the human mind, the ability to harness the forces of nature and bend them to our will. From the towering cranes of ancient civilizations to the intricate machinery of modern industry, the pulley serves as a silent but steadfast ally, enabling us to conquer the gravitational forces that once seemed insurmountable. Now we must consider the inclined plane or ramp, with its deceptively simple design, embodies a triumph over one of nature's most formidable forces, gravity. Through its gradual incline, the ramp defies the relentless pull of gravity, offering a pathway that transcends the limitations of vertical ascent. In essence, the ramp serves as a testament to human ingenuity and resourcefulness, harnessing the principles of physics to conquer the seemingly insurmountable challenge of elevation. Take, for instance, the wheelchair ramp, a seemingly mundane architectural feature that holds transformative power in its ability to grant individuals with mobility impairments the freedom to navigate spaces with dignity and autonomy. Beyond its practical function, the wheelchair ramp serves as a potent symbol of societal evolution, challenging long-held norms and fostering a culture of empathy and understanding. In embracing the ramp, we not only redefine the physical landscape of our built environment, but also reaffirm our shared values of compassion and equality, paving the way for a more inclusive and accessible future for all. And let us not forget the wedge and screw, the unsung heroes of mechanical manipulation, whose geometric prowess enables feats of cutting, holding, and fastening that defy the constraints of raw strength. The wedge, a deceptively simple yet profoundly effective tool, has been a cornerstone of human ingenuity since ancient times. Its ability to transform applied force into directional energy makes it indispensable in a myriad of applications. Whether splitting wood to fuel our fires, propping open a stubborn door to welcome guests, or effortlessly slicing through a ripe tomato to adorn our plates, the wedge's versatility knows no bounds. Its triangular shape harnesses the power of physics, exerting pressure along its length to amplify force and achieve remarkable feats with minimal effort. In essence, the wedge stands as a testament to humanity's ability to harness the laws of nature, to overcome obstacles, and enhance our daily lives. The screw, a marvel of engineering ingenuity, embodies the elegance of simplicity fused with unparalleled functionality. Dating back to Archimedes' groundbreaking invention, the screw has transcended time and space to become a cornerstone of modern civilization. Its helical design, whether manifested in the form of the Archimedes screw for lifting water, to threaded rods for the graceful articulation of a 3D printer, even the common wood screw for securing structures, exemplifies the seamless integration of form and function. The screw's precision-engineered threads epitomize the synergy between human innovation and natural principles. As a symbol of mechanical mastery, the screw serves as a testament to our ability to harness the power of geometry to revolutionize the world around us. But beyond the realm of simplicity lies the domain of complexity, where machines transcend mere function to embody the pinnacle of human achievement. As we unlock our imagination and combine these simple tools, the complexity and possibilities are endless. From the mighty steam engine on the locomotive to the 10,000th of an inch precision of an industrial robot, the arrangement of the simple tools can make anything happen. Here, in the realm of robotic assembly lines and automated manufacturing facilities, the synthesis of simple machines gives rise to a symphony of synchronized motion and unparalleled efficiency. It is here, amidst the whirring gears and humming motors, that we glimpse the future of technology, a future shaped by the collective ingenuity of human minds and the relentless pursuit of progress. All from the simpleness of the 6 tools, lever, wheel and axle, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, and screw, how wondrously complex the simple things are. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. I look forward to seeing you soon. Until then, stay curious.